this is the competition page of Kaggle. So in the left tab, you will see that there is a Kaggle competition. When you click here, you will see all the active competitions going on. So suppose I go to the Titanic competition. This is the home page of any competition. So you will have different tabs like overview, data, code, discussion, leaderboard, rules, and a team. So the data set the about the competition will mention in the overview section everything of the competition. Then comes the data section where you will get the data. Like basically in machine learning, we need two types of data: the training set for training our model and testing set. So you will have the data sets in this section and the exactly everything, the column names, the values, the data types, everything. Then comes the code section where you can create a notebook and code your machine learning model. I will be showing that in a minute. This is the discussion section where people discuss about the problems and a solution about anything. This is the leaderboard where you will see what is your ranking based on your accuracy score. This is the rules page that is for the competition. So it differs competition to competition, and this is the teams page. So whatever team you need to make, you can make here. So when you want to create a machine learning model and submit the prediction, so the competition prediction need to be submitted here. This is the submit prediction tab. So when you click here, you will see it demands a CSV file of a particular format. So it has to be supplied in that way. So first we will code the basic kernel. So here you will see a new notebook option. So when you click that, a new kernel will be created or a notebook will be created where you can code your machine learning model. This is the kernel and this is the predefined code to take the training, testing and all the data in your kernel. So when you run this, you will see the session starts and it will take some time. Okay, the session started and you can see there is a green dot. So it means the session is started and all the data sets have been loaded. After that, you can do the following, like whatever action you need. You can read the data. You can see how the test data is, how the trained data is. You can see different factors like the rate of women who have survived, rate of male who have survived, and then you can like build a basic like model for the competition. So here I have just shown an example. So let me run the kernels once. This is one. So here I've used a basic random forest classification model and trained my data using that, and the predictions I have stored of the test set in a variable called predictions. So in the competition, we need to submit a CSV file. So we need to convert this in a CSV format. So we convert that into a data frame and then just convert into a two CSV using function. We convert it using into a submission.csv file and we just run it and the submission is saved. Now to find the submission.csv file, you can click here and here you can see in the data it is the output fraction section. So if you click here, you will see that your CSV file is saved. You can simply download it in your local system and then you can go to the you can save this notebook. So if you click the save version, you can name it anything first notebook and save it so that your progress is saved. It's saving it. It is saving. And now you have your CSV file downloaded, so you can just submit your predictions, and based on your prediction their accuracy will be judged. So if you click the submit prediction button, so it will open up this upload function. So if you click on the upload, so you can see that the submission.csv file is in a download section. You can click it, open it. It is uploading the section, uploading file, uploading file. Okay, your file is uploaded. You can describe your submission briefly so that like it is readable or understandable by everyone, and you can then make a submission, and then your submission will be scored. So you have got a score for your submission. This is 7751, like 77% accurate your model is. Your this notebook is also saved. It's a save version 1, and you have also submitted prediction. And you can, there is no limit in submitting actually. You can see that this person has entered 116 times or submitted 116 times. So there is no such limit to submit unless your accuracy is lesser than the current one. If your current accuracy is greater, the greater one will be considered. So that's how you participate in a competition and submit your predictions.